asabi you are asabsira wo so nyame adwen ho nani ekọ ho wo ye sonko kra pati eti aropa ma na nya se ase wo de wo nko ana as wa ka kira na ase bibi. So that's what I want to tell you to say. The actual no aropa don't forget about what happened last week, yesterday. Let's forget about that one. Now and joy the current situation the wom se no ano ade was ye de ani atoso. What we have now, the current situation that we are in, and no ne de adwen ho na afa yenya gidi anya ho to so se wochina yenim no so ochina no de be manyen na de asie. But right now is today is today and na so one day at a time. One day at a time. To osema yende aduane is a day at a time. So I can't even think of tomorrow. So it's a day at a time. And it is there. But because you can't hold on to the past and then expect something to happen currently or in the future.
Sompa FM.
The Atramuno. Ekono. Or ya what say what was that some. Now I can't bo say. The Atramuno you are holding it so dear to your heart. The things that has passed, and ever come ebi ya and yama etani, ebi ya papa, ebi ya yama, eni na ho, ebi ya yama na ya ho chere, ebi krasi ya yama na ya papa, ebi ya nije na so. We can't believe in days that has been passed. Yent me enna yenwo enemu nya ya adwen se ya raso wo enremu. And they are community. Yeah, accept it today. And that they are your woman, yama yedin now because and you womo. Now, a china dear, ye nim, and to the abaya say, Yabawa to so, now ya what GDS say, dear yen nimuno, or dear bedroom. And when we get there, it becomes the present, and we think of the present. Ye drew hot ma na fe de ye woman no de ya dwen eno ho eti nay I had a 17th day and I had a 16th day and I had a 16th day and that also a do ensia obosumi miedunum manfo akodu omo valentine aba and I just have to have post office on na sa area wa as I go for tonyo mapa o dem say hey 30 bay number so be no crime says I say 1,500. Hey, and about 20 simple. It's all good, but we cannot be living yesterday. Ya one and today na ya home and na ana ye live. We have today, and it's today that we are thinking of, today that we are thinking about. And I ya walk. And today what juma ana yenye. Forget about whatever happened yesterday, what happened last week, last month. We are in the present. So let the present speak. Emprem mu aniyama emprem mu nsam enkasa na ende di mayeng. Anradiano akwam.
Sompa FM.
Ochena yenim na emprem na yewomo. So what are we doing in our present circumstances? A dan na ya wo empremprei tebia yimu. Arape kacho ho say I have today, and today is what I'm going to establish and plan and do things that will fetch me success. Empremprei enei abi womu arabe kache me ho say bede yama ba tutu akwamu mehye niama ye fosu atwamu and never buy fire the name so say and nay niama mekekesi ania abechre how fruitful, how successful the day becomes. And young somebody home and Mary ano dia mayin Mary and a womb. Today is the day that the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. And joy, may the peace of our Lord, which surpasses all understanding, be with us this morning. We say, Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam. And that's Monday morning. Welcome to 16th day in the second month. And that also a tunsia our busuminum and also a chwada. Arapa yebedi komo. Na a lot say koko issue no and na emprempre ya. And the past government Michael Edru didn't call for more Raniama, almost who you during their time. And he thinks about the jute sacks now, no Kaungina, almost have a chum side of the story. The current CEO, Randy Abe, is also saying his side of story. Also, Canada, or Betoye, and idiom. And we are forced to Jina, Quantum fee, I know Munyama Suomu, I know Mumu Sio, so mu Jina ho. Sa omu ko esuo ayiri wo ene da so a ewo ho sa ya kra 3004 de wo be ya no ene da so de so ate about 1100 se wo nam 2000 plans ni nyina ahye agu crash yi nyumo bo se plans ni nyina ahye agu ekwafo adi senseme. Are we facing reality or negligence of duty and our incompetence of AOB? Arapayatna say, Yebedi Hong Komo and so our now, His Excellency, the former Vice President, who is the current flag bearer of MPP Amanyo Kono, or also Abekasa. The Dr. Baumia say, a fear chini abufuno. The MPP for you our catch him say. About to Amokoto ye, I'm for the attempt, a big crack a cancer, or say one ma, a beyako tran, a mundopa, a ya. Nanso yawdo, as she say. And so by any day, a day bedo. A said, asked Jojo Ajo Breo, Asumje, Embra Bebia, said Beya. A concassian at the winning for 2028. That should be. The subject matter for discussion. I wait here me I should away say that fine kusia. And no any idea how many that so. Still, what happened? Mekwaba, Mentowaza, Mebaso. Why I did Nedie. Kevin, I like the vim. That you can say. Forward, as Kwame Nkrumah said, ever. Quite him one, you ever quiet him. I don't make a just said, yeah, come also many come. Abu Fifi Kwete Swakasa, the General Secretary for NDC, Amadio Kono. Abekasa say, MPP for we and one pa. Ade ba the crucify him na aba. That ya was Islam say that and go for Omurefiana. Some more time pa vote buying pa ne course amanya for no ma say drobium we prito and we are pratoa and na dia mo say aya waso is GC ye mu hu bi da also aka ho nsem ho aya am reliably informed the sir or china de one say no adwuma ba kwa ba apprenticeship one of the flagship program of this current government na ma say emfidie ne niamo mbechecha amankofo de aye adwuma no o ma hyase na china His Excellency Bekobunu is another places or I'm told so mo so behwe na enemo de be adwuma no aropai eno so o ma fa e de aye adwuma. We have a lot to talk about this morning. Aropai ye be di kombo also e wo hodom areas of mantamo ne anwoma nyina ka hwehye no se ya tena se ye rakro ni twa ni ntwa so. Our main focus say ya be somo ya somo sompa na ya ho ya ho brase sa no pay wa ma ya ho kwan so say ya somo. Our main objective dear see ya no so pass ya be un se buntu na fa ya somdwen kakra, 'kakra 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 na aboain alopai yame yo kese no show sports for babet na say Orlando pa na sa na ache sankasi abawan kan kire me oluma sanka mi franto madi wachi o eno so ya behwe na mereja akwa pe bento bi e de abo to kakra pa see Amber Power no will be coming this morning team ni na e ready alopai omu Mr. Wax and so e wa hadma alopom betra sinom de sports no e de amayen eno achi kwatako yeah asebe kredi ye coach ni mo so resign na Wax mo so resign na mo pam no or resign na go resign na me mo has bachi wie because anya hwe no Wax o se ka match si yeah so microphone Wax matching
me do so many
na upom ti say
oh na me adom e ho ye pa ye ho ye
say Karim Zikto na say ja has nko bom mienu asese yo
onso no otimi has bakwasim do no otimi has
akwa ya mafia ye
na bebi edu ni de na so resign pressure na ba no
na me am has me
oh ka o say ko na wana ke share has e share kotokwa ke be say kra
na so no has de o ya de obetua no
o say hanya ne draw bi de ko betimi
ago be ye
but
na we de we de awe waka you
dia bad ndura but the fans no am disappointed pa am very very disappointed so am he say ye dey chireja am say coach na ba no kwasa prince no asa coach ko mo pam no so
na de ko idi
am say ka Karim to ko no say campaign for
omo nyina
am ni wie
bo so de mo pesa ki hu
nya fani be no si o say ka o de krado no betua na ko ma pam prince ya
na ko fo na dia apre
enya sab ko tabat anfa
me free be brekum Chelsea support mu kakra de mu yedi
ani se brekum Chelsea no mo wini
ya wini too
but brekum de ha mo ne se place no so mo yiro mo kakra so mo yiro mo kakra
ya me ka kire na Kwame ni ayi se wo so mu hwe
o mo yiro mo kakra
no mo yiro mo kakra
minim bebre also mo apem game no na meeting afa mo because me no mo coach di nkomo say relegation pa de amun ko relegation
ya relegation enko
ese be ha for brekum man
ese asemato
also mo apem game
of course
you meet me catch mo
all
the more bro mo
my Mr. Wax atena CD wa wonim say ehihye di colt no oyigo no wi na amanfo agbapo rom so ayusu bia yo monyoma aropa ma me na me homra na sports one tena say beba e be di komo Barbara executive producer for the show sa so na Kwame Nkwantabisa ba be kame ho anopa ya bob na ya som ya fra be na Kwame o usu Nkwantabisa na Nkwantabisa ni mekwa na mabasisi